sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind.
Fluffy balls? Do you mean pets?
Bill, do you know anything about pets?
Is it strange? I am a robot. I know many things which you don't know. Humans.
You need to learn to be friendly, Blender.
Why do I need to be friendly?
You want to be our friend, right?
My sisters and brothers say that I need to have good relations with people.
Okay, Bill, what do you know about pets?
I know that some people in some countries take wild animals and live with them in their houses. I don't understand why. Can you tell me the reason, friends?
Animals are cute! When people come home, for example, pets wait for them.
Well, I don't have home, so I do not need any animals, right?
It is really difficult to explain it to a robot.
Many people in Korea have pets. We love nature and we take care of all animals and plants.
Suddenly, there is information on the internet that Koreans eat dogs. Is it true?
It's stereotype. There are special breeds of dogs and people grow them in farms. But it's not popular nowadays. Dogs are our friends. We don't eat our friends.
It is really good you do not eat your friends. I am not tasty at all.
It's a good joke, Blender. Sometimes you can be friendly.
Thank you, George.
Dasha, what about pets in Russia? Do people really keep bears at home?
It is a stereotype too. Bears are very dangerous animals. You can meet them only in forests. We usually keep cats or dogs as pets.
What about mice and rats? Are you afraid of rats, Dasha?
They are not pleasant, of course, but I'm not afraid of them.
I am afraid of rats.
What?
What?
What do you mean?
They can damage my wires.
Well, Canadian people have pets too, of course, but it is expensive to have a pet for us. We spend about $1,000 a year for a dog or a cat.
So it is a real present for children if they get a cat or a dog.
Oh, my friends, I have a question. Do you remember any animals from your childhood?